today we got something pretty cool for you guys. It's let's just go take a look at it. This is nothing too special, but we have a Civic here.
What year is this thing?
It's 93 Civic. It's got a sunroof.
Dang, that's rare. Okay.
And
let's see, what is that, D series?
it's got some sort of motor.
Okay.
Looks all original. And yeah.
Looks pretty cool.
I thought you guys would really enjoy this. I'm just joking. Let's go check out this. We got a Tesla Model X 100D. Took a little hit. This whole driver's side is caved in. Suspension. Everything is messed up. But I'm sure somebody will fix it up. And yeah, the glass is crazy. Look at the glass on this thing. So it goes wham, all the way.
Stops right here.
And then there's more glass behind it.
Yeah.
But let's go on the other side. We can show you guys a little bit of the interior.
How much does windshield for one of these cost, do you think? If somebody knows what a windshield costs for this thing, comment below. Let us know. Let's check out the inside. Looks like somebody was here checking out. Look at this thing. Ooh, black interior. That looks clean.
Looks like carbon fiber.
Some more carbon fiber right here.
Big old screen. Airbags are all blown. Pretty cool little SUV. So that's the windshield. It goes all the way up.
How many liters do you think this engine has?
It's a V8.
Oh, V8.
Yeah.
This thing does have 17,000 miles on it. So basically just broken in. Easy. Okay guys, so this was a quick little video of the Tesla Model X. We decided to do a separate video for this thing. They're kind of a unicorn around in our area. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to see anything else, let us know in the comment section below. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel to see more of these kind of stuff. And we'll see you guys on our next video.